One of my fondest memories as a kid was going to our local RSL on a Friday night. I know it doesn't sound that exciting, but it was for us. I'll tell you why. Mum and Dad would let us have a spider, and it was the most exciting thing for us. What's a spider? Well, it's ice cream with a soda, so a lemonade with grenadine in it or some cola. So I'm going to play on that really lovely nostalgic memory that I have, but instead of ice cream, I'm going to give it a bit of a tropical feel by using this mango, banana and pineapple mix. Now I'm going to make an instant sorbet with it. So all you need to do is place it into a food processor. Just bring it out of the freezer about 5 to 10 minutes before blending it so it's not too cold. And then in it goes. You can see all the lovely chunks of fruit in there. And on goes the lid. And I'm going to blitz this until it forms a really smooth, silky sorbet mixture. So at the beginning it may look like it's struggling a bit with the food processor, but persist with it and keep blending until it's really silky. All right, this is looking good. What I like to do halfway through is just to give it a bit of a stir, scrape down the sides, and then I'm going to blend again. Now, while that's happening, I'm just going to decorate my glass. So I've got two different colours here. These are just sugar syrups. Yellow, again, trying to evoke that tropical feel, and a green sugar syrup. And I'm just going to decorate this classic glass. Oh, we've got a stunning sorbet here. This is delicious as is. You can actually just pop it straight back in the freezer and then eat it at a later time, or scoop it and eat it straight away, or make it into a drink like I'm doing. So I've got an ice cream scoop just in some hot water, and we can scoop a generous amount of this tropical sorbet. Oh, look at that. So delicious. I'm going to add 1, 2, why not? Now, I'm just going to top this up with some lemonade and just watch that bubble away. Perfect. Final touches, keeping with the theme, 2 straws, yellow and green, and why not, a little bit of mint to garnish. That's my fun version of a spider. Instead of the ice cream, why not try it with banana, pineapple and mango mix? Fantastic to have on standby for a fun drink just like this.